come 8th of June, and shopping malls, restaurants, hotels and places of worship will open. The government has issued guidelines which will also come into effect from Monday. Well, to talk more about this, we're joined by Kumar Rajgopalan, Retailers Association of India. Thank you so much for joining us. So it's going to be a whole new way of visiting malls and, doing shopping. Tell us about the preparations that are being made.
Yeah, I think the malls have been prepared for quite some time now, because there's always been this thought that it's going to open, and many of us believe that malls are one of the safest places to really shop because it's large, there is enough space available in a mall, it's a controlled environment, people can be allowed in based upon the amount of people who are already inside the mall, which means you can really control the traffic, and each one of the stores can adhere to the principles of social distancing, to the principles around hygiene requirements, to making sure that every customer, every person who is working inside the mall are also having masks on them. So these are things that much more controllable in a mall. So, and plus the air handling units are all fully equipped now. They're all ensured that there is good air being given, there is enough air circulation inside. So these kinds of preparation have already been done.
Right, Mr. Rajgopalan, so what is the experience going to be like? We know that some malls are setting up sanitation tunnels when you go, and we know that the air conditioning has to be at a particular temperature. If you could share that with our viewers.
Yeah, I think in terms of an experience, it would be for customers who really want to go in and buy, because frankly the crowding part of the malls are not going to be currently opened up. So it's not like you're going to find the same food court that used to be there, where there could be a lot of people sitting at close quarters. The food courts would be there, but the seating arrangements would be created in such a manner that people would not be able to crowd. The theaters are still not opening in the malls yet, so that part is gone.
Right.
The playing zones, etc. is not open, but for customers who come in, they can come into a very safe environment, because obviously when you see that the others are also being taken care of and everybody is wearing their masks, there's this sense of well-being that comes in automatically, because you're not worried that somebody is going to infect you.
Right, Mr. Rajgopalan, but we've seen every day the numbers of coronavirus cases are going up. So obviously the fear is increasing in terms of the spread of the virus. Are you confident that people will return to malls? And it's something we also require, that to get our economy going, that people start shopping again, returning to shops and malls.
Yeah, that's a good question. We all realize that the economy has to keep going ahead. We also realize that when people were at home, there were lots of items that they needed which they did not get. And end of the day, we are human beings and we need to consume items. There are people who want to buy dishwashers, there are people who want to buy air conditioners, there are people who want to buy new undergarments, there are people who need to buy some cosmetics. I mean, if you just look at every single individual around you, ask them what are they missing, they will have a few items in their list. So these malls will provide a safe environment to go in and buy these items. Now, when they buy these items, automatically the economy gets slightly invigorated. It's not going to be the 100% levels yet. Let's be very clear. People are only going to go in when they want to buy something.
Right.
But these are focused individuals. And that is the beauty. The cash memo sizes we've seen in other parts of the country, wherever the malls are open, have become much larger. They double the cash memo size, because when customers go in, they think, I don't want to keep coming back.
Right.
Let me buy all the items that I need to buy. So those are the good things about what's happening.
All right, Mr. Rajgopalan, thank you so much for speaking to NDTV.